Hey guys, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're going to be making cat ears. Susan.
Yes.
Did you know that the Cats movie's coming out soon?
You know, I kind of had a feeling it might be because you've got these
Awesome cat ears.
Are you going to make me wear cat ears to the premiere?
I am. Guess who's in the movie?
Okay. Who?
Well, Jennifer Hudson.
Okay.
Jason Derulo.
Yeah.
And Taylor Swift.
No way.
Yes.
Okay, I'll wear cat ears. Oops, I lost my beads though.
You're going to throw my cat ears
I didn't
away.
mean to. Yes. No, that's awesome. I'll definitely wear cat ears.
Yes, you will.
Ah.
So, do you know how to make these?
Nope, no clue.
No clue.
I mean, I can see kind of what you used here, but...
Oh, it's perfect for
Are you going to teach
Halloween,
me?
Too. Yes, I am.
That'd be super cute.
So you're going to need some flat wire.
Okay.
And this is the 5mm. Mm-hmm. And you're going to need some 20 gauge wire. Boom.
Boom. Got it.
You're going to need some 26 gauge wire.
Got that.
A file.
Got
some
it.
cutters. And some flat nose pliers.
Perfect. Yeah, we got everything.
And some
we need.
beads.
And some beads, which I just threw across the room, so I'm going to have to go get those.
It's okay. You can crawl like a cat.
So what first?
Okay, so first you're going to need to take your 5mm flat wire.
Okay.
And you're just going to kind of shape it with your hand. So pull it out.
Mine's kind of wrapped up here. You're going too fast.
Well, you gotta be a quick cat.
So you're just shaping it with your hand?
Yes, like it's going to be a headband.
Headband shape.
Yes. So you don't need
My
all
head
of
is
this.
big.
You can eyeball it and then...
I'm cheating. Okay.
So once you get it, like it's going to fit around your head. Then you don't want to keep these like this. You want to bend them because they're going to be really sharp and you don't want to scrape your kitty head.
Good point. Okay.
So that's what these files are for.
Okay, so we're going to file these little ends. Thank you very much. But I'm going to trim mine off because mine's a little funky.
So just curve.
Curve the ends?
Curve.
I'm filing my nail by accident.
I know.
I don't like that.
Okay. So once you get it kind of rounded, then you're going to take your flat nose and push these back and squeeze it down. And then make sure it's lined up.
So it looks pretty?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, so am I
Here you
pretty
go.
good
Yeah,
here?
fit it in your hair, your head.
Yeah.
So fit?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now you're going to take your 20 gauge wire and you're going to get this much.
Can we measure it and see?
That's mine. I don't know why I was giving you
We
mine.
should measure it and see.
There
That's
you are.
13 inches. 26 inches. That's too hard. 39. 39.
Oh.
It's a little more than 4 feet. It's 4.5 feet.
And I don't even know if you're going to need all of this, but it's better to have more than...
I'm going with 3.
Go with 3.
Okay.
And then you're going to start taking this guy and wrapping it
How many times am I wrapping?
as much as you want, but enough that it's going to be secure before you make the ears.
Okay.
Okay. I'm actually going to cut that off now. Trimming.
Okay.
And then tuck that piece up underneath. Oh, you know what we do need? I bet we don't have.
What,
here,
huh?
my favorite tool in the world.
Wire straightener?
Oh, nobody wants some bent ears.
That's what I was just wondering about. Because mine was a little bit, mine's got a little wonky, see, like that. And I was like, oh, my ear's gonna be
Can't
kind of crooked.
bent
I'm gonna
ears.
have to be the cat that has the hurt ear.
The one that folds down?
Yeah.
You want me to wait on you?
Mm-hmm. Because this part looks hard.
Okay, well, you're just gonna bend it to make an ear.
Oh. I'm gonna cheat again.
You're a cheater.
Sorry. I want mine to be a little bit pointy there. Just like that? Is that good?
Yeah, I mean, you can always go back and
Point it up a little
give
bit.
it a point.
Okay.
Fatten them up if you want.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then you make your
Oh,
other
you
one.
already made another ear. You're way ahead of me. I didn't know we were. See, My cat ears are way too close together.
Hey.
I'm gonna have to get a little more space here. I'm gonna spread my wraps out a little bit.
Sometimes.
Well, I don't want my cat to look weird. There. Okay. All right, and so I make my second ear, hopefully same size essentially as the first ear.
All right. Then you cut it off.
Okay. Okay. Cut that off and press down. So one of my ears is definitely bigger than the other one. Just saying.
It's okay. You can.
No, look how much bigger
camouflage
it is.
it with the beads.
I can't. My poor cat is lopsided.
Okay, now on your wonky ears.
Darn it. Okay.
Take some 26 gauge wire.
I knew I should have gotten measuring tapes out. Okay.
And
everybody's gonna look at me and go, "Did you know one of your ears is just a little tiny bit?"
you could just say that's the ear I hear with. All right, now you're just gonna start wire wrapping beads onto your ears.
Okay. So I'm just starting it here with a little bit of 26 gauge wire, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then just start wrapping however I see fit onto my wonky ears here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I got one done. Oh, so cute. Okay.
And now you're a cat.
Boom! Yay!
Yay!
So, boop. Thank you for coming over and helping me make these cat ears. They're so cute.
You're so welcome.
Yeah, it was lots of fun. I can't wait to go see the movie with you.
That's gonna be so much fun.
We'll have a
We're gonna
great time.
To learn the songs,
All the music.
and I think we need to do all the painting work.
For sure. I need whiskers. Yeah.
So that when we start singing, people don't recognize us,
That's probably better.
and then we can get up in the aisle and start doing all the motions for cats.
Right. Like I did when I was in high school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're gonna be like,
Yeah.
what? They came to life.
Oh, actually, they might actually think that. It's a good idea because we're gonna look so good.
Yeah.
They'll think we're
Cats.
Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we work with today, check out the links down below. Which cat would you be? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell. And now that you know a little bit about making cat ears, you can say,
I made this.